flow through there really.
Is there anything you do like with a...
Okay, so we finished our liner from the stack and area by the fridge and the laundry area in the basement. Right now that's the 6-inch clay. We ended our liner in the 6-inch clay. And we actually covered over a whole drain tile right here. The customer did put in a new sump pump and drain tile system in the basement. So this is no longer in use. This is all 4-inch liner.
So what we do is we fill it up. Now, what we do is when we fill it up, we still want to stay a little bit below the pipe. We don't want to go over, because if not,
And that's our stack in the closet straight ahead when you come down the stairs. That's the stack that we reinstated right there. And I left.
But if it's not, like we do a lot, yours wasn't as bad, yours was more corroded, but we do a lot of buildings and stuff, where there's a cavity in the frame, and we can use a 5-gallon bucket of marble to fill that. And a lot of times we get filled up with foam too, so we can go in there with it's almost like a grate. So we go in there and we put a bladder, like a balloon. What we inject it, and as soon as we inject it, it takes a few minutes, we inflate the bladder, so it holds it, it doesn't let it fill the pipe. So, yeah, so in your case, we luckily didn't have to fill anything, but in a lot of cases we will.
It's amazing if you will.
Yeah, it's the technology has come so far, and we've come up a lot with
That's
a lot
the
of it,
floor
and,
clean out
we've
that
got a
we
lot of our
cut back in.
technology from Europe, so, yeah, there's some,
And then here's the start of our liner
and you wouldn't think,
in the PVC. Now we're coming up with the stack, PVC stack.
Piping on the soils.
Yeah,
So to know that there are
a lot of schools.